Have you ever heard of a chicken plant? No? Well, I guess the eggplant came first.
Eggplant no-meatballs. These plant-based veggie balls just might rival regular meatballs when covered with pasta sauce and served on a bed of zoodles. Super healthy. Eggplant makes a wonderful sub for meat because it has a similar texture actually, and honestly, I prefer plant-based things nowadays because I think they can have way more complex flavors than just regular old meat. Give these a try. So we're going to start with a hot skillet and add veggie broth, shredded eggplant, and onions. Lots of fresh garlic goes in, and this is going to cook for a little bit. Meanwhile, into the big mixing bowl goes cooked lima beans. Feel free to use any creamy white bean like Great Northern or navy beans too. Smush them up with your fingers or a potato masher. Add in chopped parsley, unfortified nutritional yeast, some cooked millet to add texture and structure, almond flour, and oat flour. But we're going to hold back some of the oat flour just to see if it's needed. Like eggplant can vary the amount of moisture it gives off, so we may or may not need all of it. Some spices go in, and then the rest of the oat flour is needed for what we have, but we're just looking to add oat flour until the batter isn't sticky anymore. So just do a little bit at a time, mix it, and see how it goes. I have faith in you, you can do it. So once it's the right consistency to turn into little balls, scoop them out, make them a little bit smaller than golf balls or the same size, and then we're going to use an air fryer rack, but feel free to use parchment or Silpat lined baking sheets. Bake until they're dried out on the top and nice and brown. Serve on your choice of spaghetti noodles. We chose zoodles, but you can either do bean pasta, zoodles, or gluten-free pasta or regular pasta. And top with pasta sauce. Yum.
All right. I hope you like that recipe. Let me know down in the comments as always. Do you like eggplant? Would you try this one for me, please? Just give it a try. Let me know what you think. Do you have any favorite eggplant recipes? Share those below in the comments. All right. We have a free 9-day challenge available for you. If you like our recipes, you're going to love our free 9-day challenge. So you can download that at the link. We have a link down in the description as well as above. And if you want the recipe for the eggplant, no meatballs, you can get that in the description as well. The show more description down below this video. Okay, that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye!